everybody, welcome back to Banderita Uno. In this how-to tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create this beautiful keychain made out of recycled yarn. So let's see the material. You're gonna need all the excess yarn you have for previous projects, maybe. You're also gonna need a little bit of chain, a clasp, some Jumprings, tweezers, and scissors, and a little bit of tape. So let's see how to make it. So first we're gonna take the strings for our yarn and we're just gonna put them into our 4 fingers just like that in the circular motion until you have enough yarn and until you have the color you like. So now I have enough yarn and I really like the colors I just put in. So I'm just gonna lift it like that and I'm gonna take 2 strings of the same yarn and tie a knot into the very middle of it. So as you can see, it will get we will get kind of like an A shape. So into that middle strings, we're just gonna add the jump ring and adding there the first part of our chain. And with the tweezers, carefully you have to close it. So as you can see, this is going to be the main part. And I don't want this chain to be that long, so I just cut out just 3 pieces of the chain. As you can see here, really carefully, of course, with the tweezers. And then I just add into that bottom part my jump ring, and then I just add the clasp and really carefully again close the jump ring. So this is going to be the body of our keychain. So now we have to cut out the excess part of our yarn into the middle of it and then just take them back together. So once we have all the yarn together, in this top part we are going to tie a knot. So this is a very important part of the structure of our keychain, so be sure it's super tight. So once you've done that, you're gonna take your tape and then just, tape it all over. And with your scissors, you're gonna measure long you want your keychain to be and then cut the strings. So now all you have to do is just take off the tape and that's all, guys. You have a beautiful recycled keychain. Isn't it easy? It's super simple to make and for me this looks totally adorable. So you can use it for your keys or also to decorate any bag you have there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah!